Hi, we hope so that you will be fine. In this tutorial, we want to let you know one of the very important updates from the Protein Databank. As you guys know that the Protein Databank contains the three-dimensional structures which are determined using the experimental techniques including X-ray crystallography, nuclear magnetic resonance, and the cryo-electron microscopy. Very recently, on 31st of August 2022, the Protein Databank also incorporated approximately 1 million predicted structures from the AlphaFold and as well as RoseTTFold. Now, along with the experimental structures, you can also get access to the predicted structures from the AlphaFold and the RoseTTFold. It means that now you don't need to make your own predictions. You just need to search your protein name into the Protein Databank, and if there will be any predicted structure of your protein, then it will be shown in front of you. You can get more information about the predicted structures into the Protein Databank by clicking here on this Learn More button. When you will click on the Learn More button, then the details of the predicted structures will come in front of you. Now when you will search the Protein Databank, then the two different structures will come in front of you. One with the sign of flask, while the second with the sign of this computer. The structures with the sign of flask letting you know that this structure is determined using experimental techniques, while the structures with the sign of this computer will let you know that this structure is predicted by using AlphaFold or the RoseTTFold. Now let's make a query into the Protein Databank to get an idea how to search the predicted structures and the experimental structures into the Protein Databank. Let's assume for a moment that we are interested in one protein ABCA1. So in the search, we will type ABCA1. We will also enable the Computer Simulated Models button as well. And then we will click here on the search button. When we will click on the search button, then all of the available structure to the ABCA1 will come in front of us. As you can see that some structures are having a sign of the computer, while some structures are having a sign of this flask. As we told you earlier, that the structures with the sign of flask is letting you know that this structure is determined experimentally, while the structures with the sign of computer is letting you know that this structure is predicted. Now let's click on this predicted structure. When you will click on this predicted structure, then all of the structure information will come in front of you. Here you will have an idea about the tool which is used to predict the structure. In this case, the AlphaFold is used to make a prediction about this structure. Then you are going to have an idea about the organism from where this sequence is derived. And similarly, you will also have the UniProt ID as well. If you want to know more about this protein, then you can click here on this UniProt ID. Below this, you can see the different type of the statistics. These statistics are letting you know about the accuracy of the model. That the purple sign in the AlphaFold model is letting you know about a very high level of the confidence. The light blue color is letting you know about the confidence between 90 to 70. The yellow color is letting you know about the confidence of the AlphaFold about its predicted structure between 70 to 50. While the orange color is letting you know about the prediction accuracy less than 50%. Just like the experimental structures, you can also download this predicted structure by clicking here on the Download Files drop-down menu. When you will click here, then this menu will pop up in front of you. Now, click on the model CIF. When you will click on the model CIF, then the three-dimensional structure will be downloaded in your system, which you can use for the further analysis. We hope so that this update will help you to get your three-dimensional structures if they are not experimentally determined into the Protein Databank.